Hello and welcome to Like Mother Like Daughter. I'm Claire. This is Bane. Moms. If you guys don't know about Pet Treater, this is one of our favorite subscription boxes. We do get it free for review. So, a little bit about the box. It starts out at $24.99 a month. It is based on the size of your dog rather than the age, but you do get to make like a whole little profile for them. It's super cute. They do have cat boxes now. I don't know about the price on those, but it's something new if you want to check it out. In these boxes, there's usually a few toys, some homemade treats that are usually like organic or all natural, something like that. And then there's usually just like other treats that are raw, organic, whatever. Like I would be comfortable eating some of these snacks. I wouldn't, but I probably could if I wanted to. And there's usually something included for the human. So this is December's Pet Treater box. Whew, and I haven't even seen anything in this. So first thing in here, I love the bandanas they send. I love them. So this has a little naughty and nice bandana. You're naughty today. Yeah. They come with these little cards. So a gift for you. Turn your pet into a pillow. Lily Pets. Oh, this is a $30 gift card to lilypets.com. That's really cool. I'm totally going to get my dog. Totally gonna get my dog on a pillow. Next thing. Oh, one of the great things they do is they pick a dog each month and they feature them in the next box. So there's Scooby. Scooby is the feature of this month. And then also Bright Sellers. It's a wine subscription. So if you want a $30 credit on your first Bright Sellers wine subscription box, go to brightsellers.com/pettreater and there's a $30 credit. It doesn't have like a code or anything, so just go to brightsellers.com/pettreater. We got smokehouse strips and bacon and chicken. See, this is one of the things that I like. These are like real meats. They don't have any byproducts or anything in them. Look, and they're only good for a couple of months, which means they probably don't have a lot of pesticides. They're vacuum sealed. Ooh, and we've got Emmy's Gourmet Canine Creation. Lily tested and Kelly approved. I really do like these. I think they've had the Emmy's Gourmet Canine Creations a couple of times in here at least, and I really like these treats. Our dogs love them. So this one is, it doesn't say, but it is a little tiny present, and it's got a paw print for your dog. I believe it's a cheese and oatmeal and chicken. Nice. It's got some garlic powder in there for flavor, I bet. Awesome. And Clucktastic Tasty Chicken Treats. Real chicken, all natural ingredients, coconut oil inside. Clucktastic cheese, blah blah blah, chicken and cheese stick. There we go. Oh, and we got a toy. It's a tug toy. This one looks pretty nice. Does it have a squeaker in it? Nope, it's got a crinkler. But this is the Wild Wonderland Double Tug Dog Toy. Toss, crinkle, squeak, and tug. Oh wait, so it does have a squeaker. Oh, there we go. It's in the head. Are you ready? Come here. Okay, so next we got Bear Bites. These only have one ingredient. This is beef liver. This is really cool. Dog and cat treats. They are 2 uses. No fillers, grains, additives, or preservatives. Best if used by 1019. Nice, nice, nice. I'm going to actually go and look this up online. I've been looking for something a lot like this for him. Next, Travel Edition, Home for the Holidays. Pet Treater for your human. Handcrafted coloring book. Nice. Nice. These are all like little snowflakes and holiday little thingies. Oh, Bane's sniffing that too. Got lots of these. Next thing. This is, I don't know, a little sheep with a Santa hat. Alright, and then last but not least, got a Cozy Soft 50-inch by 60-inch polar fleece throw. So they must have entered in, like, put in 2 things for the human this month. Or maybe this is going to be like a little dog blanket. I don't know. But just to wrap it up, we got a cozy fleece blanket. Also for the human, we've got a coloring book. We've got a little sheep squeaker toy. I've got a little cat tug toy with a squeaker and a crinkler. We've got an organic treat. We also have some Bear Bites. We've also got some Clucktastic chicken and cheese sticks. I wonder if these are kind of like good for their teeth too. It looks kind of like the shape is kind of like the dentist sticks, just not as big. I wonder if that helps at all. What do I know? We also have a gift card to Lily Pets. We have 2 packs of Indigo chicken and beef, or chicken and bacon, and that's it. I mean, all in all, this is a pretty awesome box. This is probably one of my favorite boxes we've gotten so far. Spot on, Pet Treater. Thank you. This is really nice. And this Lily Pets, this is something that should be in more boxes. I want everything with my dog's face on it. Bane, you want bacon or you want chicken? He wants the bacon. He likes it a lot. Be nice. Good boy. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel because we love it when you do. And we'll see you next time.